An earthing kit is something you can buy that has a discounted price because there's several earthing products in this kit. Earthing is the ability to get electrons to flow from the earth, which has all these beautiful free antioxidant electrons, to get them to flow into your body while you are in your home and not outside barefoot on wet grass or a beach. Okay? So, an earthing kit is designed to be the most multi-purpose set of earthing devices to help you improve your health for your lifestyle. So an earthing kit will include one of two sleep mats. You can get the smaller one or the larger one, depending on how your sleep arrangements are. An earthing kit will include the universal mat or the desk mat, which can go under a keyboard or in your rec room couch, so you can put it below your feet. Your feet, by the way, are one of the best things to ground. I'm not talking about wearing rubber-soled slippers on this mat. We want bare skin whenever possible, or if you have to, thin cotton, whether it's pajamas in bed or thin cotton socks that conduct. Your bottom of your feet have all kinds of nerve endings, and some research shows more nerve endings are per square inch located in your feet than anywhere else in your body. They're designed to absorb electrons. The earthing kit then also includes some earthing bands, and there's a large and a small. The large will fit on a knee, on a quad if you have pain or suffering with an injury in the bottom half of your body, or a smaller band that can go on an arm, a shoulder, if you're suffering with an injury or pain in the upper half of your body. Earthing kits are wonderful because now you can double ground yourself, and double grounding is when you are using two earthing devices. And what we have seen through our customers and our own observations is when you double ground, your healing isn't even double. We think it's quadruple. Now you've got more than one entry point for these electrons to flow into your body. We have seen knuckles recede from people with arthritis or osteoarthritis when they sleep grounded with the bed sheet and when they add the body band onto their knuckles. So an earthing kit is a way to save money and get you 3 or 4 different ways to ground yourself in different spots of your home or your work.